3 seconds, that's what you have to capture someone's attention in today's digital world. Hi, I'm Vanessa Choi, your creative marketing and AI brand strategist. If you are a coach or a personal brand that wants to grow your business online or stand out in your niche, you know what I'm talking about. Do you know that 94% of first impressions are design related? And today I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your personal brand using 3 powerful strategies. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you how you can actually get professional brand photos worth thousands of dollars in a fraction of a price. So make sure you stay until the end. Now, let's talk about something that has changed dramatically in the past couple of years. So, before, when you have a social media, you just upload your profile picture, have a simple background, and then you do a couple of motivational posts or inspirational quotes, and then put some mixed with your daily life there, right? And that's it. That time was long gone. Now people are really seeking attention. Think about your audience, even yourself. You were bombarded by over 5,000 different posts or messages a day. It will be same as your audience. So how do you actually stand out from the crowd? How people resonate with your brand, with you, or with your service that you provide? That is really crucial. And that is most people get it wrong here. When you talk about personal brand, it's not only focused on one aspect of the brand. This is supposed to be a holistic approach if you want to increase your online visibility. For example, you're not just focused on just Instagram feed. That's a lot of different combination to actually increase the online visibility. You can't just focus on one thing. Just like a three-leg stool, if one leg is weak, the other two won't hold. So that's very important. Remember the holistic approach. Now let's start with the foundation, your web presence. Let's look at this example. This is a single page website I created. So as you can see, there are 4 key elements. A clear statement of who you are and what you do, your unique value proposition, why should someone choose you, specific problem that you solve, and also a clear path to work with you. And as you can see here, this is just a simple one pager, even though you can see different navigation tab on the top, but at the end of the day, it's only a one page. So this is not difficult to create. And I'm going to show you a different example. And this is the other one. Again, you can see all the 4 key elements here, who you are, what you do, what's your service, and how to work with you, what transformation you're bringing to your audience. So the key here isn't quantity, it's about clarity. Your website should be like a good handshake, firm, professional, and memorable. And for those who are thinking about the technical aspect, don't worry about it. I've got you covered. That one that I just show you is actually inside the Simple Business platform. So I've done the heavy lifting for you. You've got all the templates there. So you don't have to start from scratch. Just use any of the templates and then build from there. Now let's talk about that's something that make most coaches uncomfortable, your visual branding. Let's to be honest, when was the last time you update your profile photo? The truth is, in the coaching industry, people connect with you first. Your big visual brand isn't just about professional photo shoot, it's about creating an emotional connection with your audience. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes I see. First one, using inconsistent visual across different platforms. Number 2, using stock photo. That's without any connection. Number 3, using low quality photos. But fixing this problem doesn't mean that you have to spend thousands of dollars to hire a professional photographer. Which brings me to the next pillar. Welcome to the future of personal branding, AI enhanced brand images. This is a game changer, especially for coaches who want professional looking photos without the studio price tag. Look at the transformation. On the left, we have the original photos, and on the right, that's what our AI enhancement created. The difference is stunning, isn't it? And then now, with the special promotion, you can get 10 professional grade photo that would normally cost you upwards of $1,000 more with a traditional photographer. But now I'm actually offering with a fraction of the price. So want to generate images like this? Done. Different lighting? That's easy. Want to match your brand colors? No problem. Now let's put it all together. Here is your action plan for the next 30 days. So week one, you want to audit your current brand presence. You'll review your website. It doesn't have to like a full-blown website. It can be like a web present or just web page, just a one pager. And then assess your visual content, what sort of content you're putting out there at the moment, and then identify gaps in your branding. And then week two, we're going to look at update your web presence, implement the essential elements we just talked about, and then update your messaging, create clear call to action. And then week three, we're going to look at the visual branding, and you can get your AI enhanced brand photos and create a consistent color scheme so that it represents your brand, and also update all your profile images using a similar style or using the exactly profile picture. And then week four, we're going to launch and optimize. You're going to update all platforms with a new branding, monitor the engagement, and also adjust based on the feedback. When you put something out there, you will get feedback from people, whether it's nice, it's good, or it's not that good. So get feedback and then optimize it. If you like what I share today, you can support me by share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.